of a teaspoon of what?
Slate.
Slate.
So what we're going to do is we're going to do a little blending and tinting in our Emulsion Pro Plus. And this was a little formula that Mr. Tim Nathan, our stain technician, shared with us.
Guru.
So we're doing this for you, Tim, and the customers get to see this. So we're going to
I don't have
add
a third, but I've got a quarter.
Yeah, it's fine.
So we'll do.
He's going to do a quarter teaspoon.
That looks like it didn't shake it, does it? But I did shake it.
And we're going to blend this and stir it into the Emulsion Pro per gallon. And
So
then
it doesn't take much.
Yeah, you don't need much stain to change the color and
So
really
let's-
pop the grain.
Let's start with the quarter.
There we go.
That doesn't look like it's going to do much, but let's find out.
Okay, we'll stir that in there. This is historical stuff for you guys. It's like turn you all into mad scientists, man.
It's a moment in history.
Watch the mad scientists go to work. So the original formula was a third into a gallon, so that's
Yes.
33%.
Yeah,
Yes.
right now we're at 29.
And you're at
There's not
25,
much.
so you're just under.
Yeah, I mean, you can see that it changed the color.
Yeah.
I didn't think it was going to change the color, but it changed the color. Want a little bit more, or you want to keep it that?
I think you should do one more.
Yeah, there you go.
Give it a little, half of one.
It's amazing. You don't think that much can make a difference, but you can see how it's changing the color already.
Yeah.
It's the chemistry.
Well, I'm curious because I don't know if that's going to do anything to the color of that. We're just tinting it a little to help it, right? We're not
Yep.
trying to.
Yeah.
This isn't a stain sealer.
It's going to give you a little bit different amber to it.
Okay.
And this, now this is a sealer finish combo.
Yeah, I mean, you're really using
So this is your sealer and a finish. That's your tinting.
You want a little bit more?
I mean, I don't know.
Or do you want to do half of it
Hey,
with
come on,
that,
bud.
and then put a little bit more into it and do
maybe
another
try
half?
that.
Yeah, let's do it. I'll tape it off. Hold on a second.